Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to find the sum of smallest three numbers in Excel. Now, in order to perform this, we are making use of two simple functions, which is sum and this small function. Sum function will give me the addition of these values, and small function will find out the smallest numbers. Now, in this case, I have the student's name and I have their respective marks. I need to add the three lowest marks. So let's start. So I'll start out with equal sign and make use of sum function. Now, again I'm making use of small function in order to find out these smallest numbers. So just press tab key so that the function along with the brackets gets open. And it is asking for array. So array in the sense the list of marks, comma, k represents like how many smallest digits I need to be added. In this case, I need three numbers to be added. So open flag brackets and then I'll give it as 1, 2, 3. And then close the flag brackets. If in case you need the four smallest numbers to be added, just make use of comma and then 4. Now I'll close the brackets 2 times. I've opened the brackets here and here. So just close the brackets 2 times. And this is an array formula. So you're not supposed to just press enter. You're supposed to press Control Shift and enter. So just press Control Shift and enter. And you can see that the formula has been updated. And you can see in this case, before the equals, you have flag bracket. That means we have pressed Control Shift and enter, which means it's an array formula. So in order to calculate for all the other students, just double click. So this is actually giving me the sum of smallest three numbers. So we will quickly evaluate. So in order to evaluate, just give the shortcut Alt MV. Giving Alt MV will open this particular. So this is the formula that I have made use of. Now my cell has been placed in H5. So you can see that the name has been appearing as H5. Now just evaluate. Now, if you evaluate, you can see these are the smallest three numbers in this case. And again, click on evaluate, and that is how we have got the result as 180. And that concludes this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are watching my video for the first time. Also, click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out any updates.